Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray. Here on my channel, I do videos related to beauty, makeup, lifestyle, vlogs, and more. So if you're interested in that type of content there, definitely click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. In today's video, as y'all can see, I did a winged glitter cut crease. And y'all, this is my first time doing this eyeshadow look here and this type of cut crease. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video because I enjoyed creating this look for you guys. So I really hope y'all enjoy my winged glitter cut crease tutorial. So yeah, let's hop on into this video, y'all. Alright y'all, that is all I have for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this winged glitter cut crease. Like I said in the intro, I really enjoyed creating this look for y'all because this is my first time creating a look like this. So I really enjoyed it. As y'all can see, normally I don't do my inner corners, but y'all, I was a little bold with this eye look here. So I even did my inner corner of my eyes. Y'all see that? It's pretty. Y'all, I'm a little obsessed with this look, so I hope y'all are too. Be sure you share it. You know, if you all enjoyed this video, if you like this video, you like this eyeshadow look that I created, definitely share this video. Try and recreate it yourself, and if you do, let me know down below in the comment section. And if you want to see a specific type of makeup video, let me know that down in the comments as well. And as always, y'all, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate y'all, the love and the support. I love all of my subscribers. And thank you guys so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.